Terry Spaghetti, Episode 1. Ah! Hello and welcome to our first ever Terry Cooks video. I hope you will enjoy our video. Today we're going to cook spaghetti. First, we need to fill a pot with water and put it on the stove. Once the water is hot enough, we can add the spaghetti to the pot. Now we let it boil until it's ready. Once the spaghetti is done cooking, we drain the water over the sink. Then we put the spaghetti onto a plate. Subscribe.